Mercedes with Bloomin' Easy, and today we're gonna put candelabra hydrangea, strobe weigela, Gerber daisies, and lemon cypress in my sister-in-law's new flower bed. It's their first spring in their new home, and they wanted to up the curb appeal of their new house. But they have a 1-year-old and they both work. So it's really important for them to have a yard that is easy to maintain. And that's why we came in with Bloomin' Easy. Bloomin' Easy plants are super easy. You just plant, water, relax, and it's good to go. So let's get ready to start planting. First, I'm gonna move this hydrangea to the back where it can get more shade. Now it's time to plant. I'm going to start with the anchor plants. For winter interest, color, and smell, we chose lemon cypress. Lemon cypress is well known for its sweet lemon scent when you press its bright golden foliage between your fingers. It loves the sun 6+ hours a day and is hardy to zone 6. It's a slow grower and should get to 6 feet in about 5 years. We're also going to put in Bloomin' Easy's candelabra hydrangea. Candelabra is an award-winning hydrangea with candle-shaped flowers that bloom cream and slowly turn to a bright pinky red as summer fades to fall. Its sturdy red stems carry the blooms and are beautiful for winter attraction. It likes full to part sun, is zone 3, and can get to 6 feet tall. After that, we're going to put in strobe weigela. Strobe is a multi-seasonal weigela. In spring, it'll have bright pink bell-shaped flowers that attract pollinators, and as spring changes to summer, strobe's foliage turns to a golden bronze and then orange and then crimson red as summer fades to fall. It likes full to part sun and is zone 4, and it gets to 3 feet tall. So we came across an issue where I realized the placing of this lemon cypress will grow into the house, which is not great. So we rearranged the plants so that the tree wouldn't grow into the roof, and I think it looks great. This one is only gonna get roughly 3 feet, so it won't interact with this. First, I'm gonna dig the hole twice the width of the pot and make sure before I plant that the pot fits. Once it fits, I'm going to take the plant out, loosen the roots, and put it in. Then I will backfill and tamp with my feet so it's firmly planted. Now that we are done putting the plants in, it's time to water. My little nephew came out to help me. I love him. Make sure to give your new plant a 90-second soak so it can get well acquainted with its new home. If you would like more information on how to plant a Bloomin' Easy plant, check out this video on the screen or follow the link in the description. And there you have it. Thank you for watching. Make sure to follow us at Bloomin' Easy so you can see all of the updates of her garden as it grows throughout the spring and the summer. Make sure to subscribe and turn on your notifications button.